Around the world, Adventist education exists for more than academic success. It's a ministry that shapes minds, builds character, and creates places where faith, learning, and service meet. In communities of many backgrounds and beliefs, Adventist schools become bridges of trust and hope. On the island of Zanzibar, that mission is taking shape through Zanzibar Adventist Academy. What began in 2013 as a small school with just a few students has grown steadily over the years. Today, the campus serves more than 170 children, welcoming families from various faith groups who are united by a shared desire for quality education and strong values. Here, education is holistic. Children are not only taught reading, writing, and mathematics, but also compassion, discipline, and responsibility. From the earliest nursery years through primary grades, the school focuses on developing the whole child, mind, body, and spirit.
We thank God for His protection from when our school was started up to now.
Those words reflect more than gratitude for growth. They point to God's faithfulness and to the quiet impact Adventist education can have in places where opportunity is limited and hope is deeply needed. On an island where less than 1% of the population is Christian, every classroom is an opportunity to model Christ's love through patience, excellence, and service. And the impact on every student affects their families and communities as well. Because of faithful support, schools like Zanzibar Adventist Academy continue to grow, offering children a safe place to learn and a glimpse of God's love in action. Your faithful support of the mission offering helps Adventist schools around the world reach hearts and minds. In classrooms like these, education becomes a gift shared with an entire community, one that continues long after the school day ends.